As a leading manufacturer and trusted industry resource, County Materials proudly supports career and technical education. We collaborate with local schools to educate and prepare students for gratifying, high-demand careers in concrete manufacturing. County Materials offers students a variety of career paths, including positions as plant team members, yard team members, truck drivers, and diesel mechanics. We help graduating seniors with little to no experience find careers right for them and provide skills training and resources to achieve certifications that may be required. We frequently host plant tours for students interested in manufacturing and the skilled trades. County Materials aims to raise the value of technical education and help students build hand-on skills and experience they can apply outside of the classroom. When students choose to build their future with County Materials, they gain the opportunity of professional growth and development through training and education within our organization and through industry resources. We offer competitive pay, on-site training, opportunities for relocation, and challenging careers within our community. Find a career that suits you by visiting workatcounty.com.